Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to another video on this channel. Today we'll be working on a 2015 Lexus RC350. We'll be taking out the bumpers to gain access to the passenger headlight, and then we'll be removing the passenger headlight to reinstall some new ones. So let's get to it. Here we have the engine covers that are going to need to be removed to gain access to certain clips and certain bolts to remove the front bumper. Now the removal of these pins are super easy. All you have to do is push down and it pops right off. Now we're removing these clips on the top of the bumper. There should be 2 on each side. For this part here, we're just using a 10mm socket to remove a bolt on each end and one in the middle. Moving on to the passenger side of the inner wheel well, we're removing these 3 retaining clips. There should be 1 on top, 1 in the middle, and then 1 on the bottom. Onto the driver's side, we're just going to be doing the same thing that we did on the passenger side. Here are some 10mm bolts that you will need to remove from the undercarriage. I forgot to show you guys this earlier, but you will need to remove this 10mm bolt on each end. Next, you'll want to give it a slight tug to remove the bumper from the bumper retainers. Then you'll want to unclip the wires attached to the front bumper. There should be 2 on the passenger side and 3 on the driver. With all those removed, the front bumper should be able to fully detach from the front end. Moving on to the passenger side headlight, you will be removing these 3 10mm bolts. Next, I'm going to be pointing out the 3 locations of the bolts that you will need to remove the headlight assembly. Here are these 2 clips that you will need to remove to take out the headlight assembly from the front end. Now for installation purposes, just do everything in reverse. And that's a wrap for today's video on how to remove front bumper and headlight assembly on a 2015 Lexus RC350. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And for everyone watching out there, have a good one, be safe, and I'm out. Peace.